Hey, Riddle here. We're in Venice, Italy, and we need to do a little laundry at our Airbnb. The problem is we can't read Italian. But did you know that with your iPhone or smartphone, you can download the Google Translate app? And what this gives you the ability to do is to open up the camera. You put this in front of any text, so you can be at a restaurant looking at and look at it translates it. I mean, isn't technology amazing? So you can use this at restaurants for menus and what have you, and now we can read exactly what we're doing so we don't destroy our clothes or destroy this machine. So check out your Google Translate app, and then what you're going to want to do also is you're going to download the specific language so you can use it when you're offline as well. It's really easy to do, and I'll give more specific information in my information box below. So, if you like my quick money-saving tips, rants, raves, and other things, please subscribe, it helps. And I'll keep sharing these quick videos. It'll make your life a lot easier. Take care of yourselves and take care of each other, because how we treat each other on the streets is our real reality.